for joining us there. Hang on, Parikshit, you're also working on another story which is separate from what's happening in Jaipur, but linked to what's happening in Jaipur as well. We learned that the proposed digital competition law is likely to be put on the back burner, and that could have implications, for, of course, the ongoing trade negotiations between India and the US, because US industry bodies have been vehemently opposing the proposed digital law.
This has to be seen in the light of an olive branch that India has been extending to the US administration since the time Trump 2.0 was sworn in. We've done away with the equalization levy. We've settled a case, antitrust case against Google for just about 20 crores. We've reduced tariffs on bourbon whiskey, high-end cars, high-end motorcycles as well, and also reduced tariffs on other goods. All of this to make sure that we address concerns of the US administration. Now, the digital competition law has been highlighted by different industry bodies, including the Coalition of Service Industries, to CNBC-TV18 as a major hurdle in US investments in India, a major hurdle for companies like Amazon and Google. So they've been wanting this to be set aside. What India has done right now is that we've not taken a call as to when we want to bring this. And top cyber sources telling us that this bill is now going to be put on the back burner because India's priority right now is to clinch a trade deal with the US. We don't want any hiccups there. We want to have an early agreement so that even the 10% baseline reciprocal tariffs is paused. So because the entire focus is on the Indo-US trade negotiation, this this issue of the digital competition law can take a backseat for the moment. Deliberations on this have been going on since November 2013. The committee, the MCA-led committee, which had made a report on the digital competition law and the importance of such a law to regulate big tech in the digital marketplace, has been pending with the government for almost a year now. Stakeholder consultations are over, but there is no clarity on when this bill would be brought in Parliament. In fact, the Minister of State for Corporate Affairs he even went on to say, we're not going to rush through with this law. All due process would be followed.
All right, Parikshit, many thanks for joining us. Parikshit Luthra there reporting from Jaipur, where J.D. Vance has just finished addressing the Indian media. Ever since Donald